Hey, it's Steve Rexrod. Thanks for checking things out here at WXYZ.com. Forecast-wise, the rain comes in overnight, and it's very, very likely that you'll have to drive through it in the morning. You can see morning rush hour, we're up around 80-90% for rain here, so it'll be some out there. Then the widespread rain kind of winds down a little bit in the afternoon. It's more showers off and on, kind of hit and miss, that kind of action, but still a pretty good chance in the afternoon as well. In terms of amounts, we'll let this run into 5:30. You can see by the time we get started with the rush hour, a lot of spots already have a quarter-inch in the area, half inch or a little more by lunchtime here, and it just keeps coming. A lot of spots will go a half an inch. Some areas may approach an inch by the end of the day or by the end of the evening here. So quite a bit of a soaking rain. Widespread rain moves in overnight, 39 for low in Detroit. Wind still a little blustery, 55 for the high on Tuesday. Widespread rain in the morning, showers in the afternoon. And it looks like we got a chance of rain early on Wednesday, probably done by mid-morning at the latest, if we do get it. It's only a 30% chance. Same slight chance for the afternoon on Thursday. Of course, that's the home openers for the Tigers at Comerica Park. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Good Friday, Saturday, Easter Sunday, chance of a little flake of snow mixed in with a couple of raindrops, so temperatures cooling down, low 30s for lows and mid 40s for highs.